ka jingput tu roi ban pen klai ni ka party Trinamool Congress hapo jong ka jala Meghalaya satang de kibnai ban poi she ka jingje ban pen thmai ye ki nong mi khmat she ka yeng dor bar thau ai ka khliehduh jong ka party TMC pat ka badei ru ka Myntri Rangbah jong ka West Bengal mantakas ngi ka lawan poi ha ka jala Meghalaya ha ka ba kinong elam jong ka TMC bat kinong kashan na ka jala Meghalaya kila pdyang burom ya ka mantakas ngi hadin ba ka lawan poi ha umroi airport yakani ka khliehduh jong ka party TMC ka Mamamta Banerjee ka balawan ban yu kjat shaka jila Meghalaya ha ka sen ka baningkong la sinran langru da u National General Secretary ka TMC u Abhishek Banerjee bat lapdyang buram yaka hadin ba ka lawan poi ha umroi airport da u State President ka TMC u ba Charles Pangro ha ka jingidon lang u Myntri Rangbah barim ka jala u Dr. Mukul Sangma u State Vice President but MLA ka umroi u ba George Bilengdo rangkat kiwi kinong ilam ka party TMC na Riboy District bat na ka jala kani ka khliehduh jong ka party TMC yamenta hi kanomdon kanu ka program ke bede bat ka party ne bani kindu ye ki paitba bat kan beteng ye ki program ba pher nadu ka singi ba ar jong ka tayo bat khamtam bania kren bat bania fliu jungmut halo ka kam election bat ru ban pen klein ye ka party da ki program ba pher kan salai bani shimmenta hakane ka jingwan yu ka jan hakasen ka banungkong e sham Meghalaya shwa ke election aja arfulai hapo ka jila Kumbalai thu da ka party TMC ha ka sngi baar kan sadon ka jingalang ha usoso tham auditorium but hawinda mere result ba kani ka khliehduh jong ka party TMC ka Mamamta Banerjee kani kindu ye kinong ilam ka party bani kren halo ki kam ka party shwa ke election araja arfulai But kani ka khliehduh jong ka party TMC kani shimmenta ban rakhi lupa ye ka Christmas rangkat ki khina konsuet na ki jakari konsuet ba pher kani kindu ru ye ki khli nong sinshar ki nong elam jong ka im lang sa lang ban pen pau halo ka nong rim jong ka party TMC
Meghalaya TMC across all rank and file are extremely enthusiastic to receive our chairperson Mawphor today, and we look forward to addressing our executive. Rather, the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this, and we'll be welcoming her.
Well,
Thank you.
Killing people, so we don't want that kind of governance. Bengal has stood fast against the might of the BJP, and that is what we are here for, to stop the BJP from trampling upon the rights of the citizens, upon the minorities, and upon the Christians. A lot of things will be unfolded, so we can just wait for some time. There's another 24 hours where the entire party will unfold its strategies and whatever its best wishes are there for the entire state.
You have said that a new poll strategy will be, TMC will be going for a new poll strategy. So, is there anything like that?
I can only say this much for now, that the people have had enough of governments that keep promising, and all has been empty for the past 4 and 5 years. So therefore, we're coming with a specific kind of an outlook, a plan, and a strategy that will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that we as leaders and the party, under the leadership of Ms. Mawphor will be unfolding tomorrow and telling the people of the state where we want to take them forward.
How enthusiastic are you about this visit?
So this is very, very important visit for all of us, because the blessings of the chairperson of the TMC is very, very important, and her guidance and experience, and especially the way that the government has served the people of Bengal, how people's aspirations have been fulfilled in the past 15 years. That is a lesson for us to learn, and also to teach us as to where to take the state to, considering the fact that we need more and more support for the citizens of the state.